Blackheads are small bumps that appear on your skin due to clogged hair follicles. These bumps are called blackheads because the surface looks dark or black. Blackheads are a mild type of acne that usually form on the face, but they can also appear on the following body parts. They are back, chest, neck, arms, and shoulders. Acne affects nearly 50 million Americans and is the most common skin disorder in the United States, according to the American Academy of Detmatology. Blackheads are causes when a clog or plug develops in the opening of hair follicles in your skin. Each follicle contains one hair and a sebaceous gland that produces oil. This oil, called sebum, helps keep your skin soft. Dead skin cells and oils collect in the opening to the skin follicle, producing a bump called a comedo. If the skin over the bump stays closed, the bump is called a whitehead. When the skin over the bump opens, exposure to the air causes it to look black, and a blackhead is formed. Some factors can increase your chances of developing acne and blackheads, including: Number 1. Producing too much body oil, the buildup of the Propionibacterium acnes bacteria on the skin. Number 2. Irritation of hair follicles, irritation of hair follicles when dead skin cells don't shed on a regular basis. Number 3. Undergoing hormonal changes that cause an increase in oil production during the teen years, during menstruation, or while taking birth control pills. Number 4. Taking certain drugs such as corticosteroids, lithium, or androgen. Some people believe that what you eat or drink can affect acne. Dairy products and foods that increase blood sugar levels, such as carbohydrates, may play a part in triggering acne, but researchers aren't convinced that there's a strong connection. They are caused due to excessive production of sebum, an oily substance, from the sebaceous gland that slowly gets hardened when they mix with dead skin and bacteria. The sebum gets exposed to oxygen from the air and gets oxidized and turns black. When they are below the pore opening, they appear as white or yellow bumps, and they don't get oxidized and are called whiteheads. These are the main causes that leads to blackheads: alcohol, unclean skin, cosmetics, stress, hormonal changes, inheritance, caffeine. Follow these simple, natural ways to clean the pores and remove blackheads using easily available ingredients at home. Egg white mask. Egg white, known for their skin tightening abilities, egg white make an effective ingredient for blackhead removal. When applied directly on the skin or as a mask, egg white shrink the pores, hence forcing blackheads out. Being rich in nutrients, egg whites also improve skin texture and remove extra oil from the skin. Tomato wash. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and A and have skin brightening, oil absorbing and pore shrinking properties. This is especially good for people with oily skin, as tomato pulp effectively clears out the extra grease without being harsh. Cut a few round slices from a tomato. Rub a slice on your skin, focusing on the blackhead-infested areas. Alternatively, you can apply tomato pulp on your skin and wash it off with water once it dries. Lemon, salt, and honey. The astringent quality of lemon will cut grease, while the fine granules of salt will act as a non-abrasive scrub for your skin. Honey will leave your skin moisturized and help keep the germs away. Make a paste with these 3 ingredients and apply on the blackheads. After 5 minutes, gently scrub in circular motions for a minute and let it stay for another 5 minutes. Wash away with warm water. Do this 3 times a week. Steaming. Subjecting your face to steam is an effective way to soften the stubborn blackheads and then eventually clearing them away. Steaming the face makes the skin sweat, which in turn helps to clear out toxins from within. It also softens the pores, making the stubborn blackheads easier to work upon and remove. Clay. The oil-absorbing properties of clay make it ideal for clearing extra grease from the skin, along with other impurities. Masks made from fuller's earth and kaolin clay, when used regularly on the face, can help clear out the pores. This will eventually get rid of blackheads and make the skin smooth. Baking soda. Baking soda is a natural exfoliator. Create a paste using baking soda and water and apply on the blackhead-affected area. Use your fingers to gently scrub the skin for a few minutes and then wash off with water. This should be done 3 times a week. Toothpaste rub. Apply a thin layer of toothpaste over the blackheads, leave for 25 minutes, and wash face gently with warm water. Repeat this remedy for 2 weeks to be free from blackheads. Oatmeal pack. A mixture of oatmeal and yogurt is good for the skin and helps banish blackheads. Mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with 3 tablespoons of yogurt, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and olive oil to it. Mix all these ingredients well till it forms a paste. Apply the mixture on the face, leave for 10 to 15 minutes, and wash face with cold water. Cinnamon pack. Prepare a mixture of equal parts of cinnamon powder and limages to form a thick paste. Apply the paste to the affected parts and leave on overnight, and then wash off with warm water in the morning. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.